I'm trying octopus for the first time, guys. Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. So today we are going for lunch. We don't know where we are going yet. We're still deciding in the car. But we're going to Nyali. So let's see. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Are you hungry? We literally haven't eaten lunch, and it's I think it's about to like even reach 2 o'clock, and we haven't eaten anything. So we are super hungry, super excited to try a new place. I'm guessing we're going to try a new place. So yeah, if you guys want to come with us, then please keep watching. So we just thought of taking you guys with us. Today's Saturday, and yeah, let's go. Oh, flying kiss. So we just got here. This is the outfit of the day, guys. Look nice and simple, just very pretty. So yeah, Aisha, come show your outfit of the day. Why? Okay. People who love to eat are always the best people. This is me, guys. I'm the best person, that means. So this is the sitting area where we're sitting, but I'm going to show you guys the outside area as well. It's pretty simple and nice, and that's where we are sitting. So this is the outside area. I think this is the best part of this restaurant. The Italian ice cream. Aisha, what is this? I really want this. What is this? I think we should order that.
It looks good.
Yeah. Wow, the sauces look delicious. Especially this one, because I'm a fan of chilies. And this is garlic, and this is... What is this, red chutney?
Yeah, red chutney, garlic and green chutney.
The red chutney is what? It's like chili?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
chili.
they're all chili.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is garlic though.
Maybe I can take that side.
And that is...
Can you get me the fork, because I cannot go around with that. Sorry,
That is
okay?
the starter.
At least I'll put it
Let's
forward.
try.
Okay.
Super hungry, okay? We're super hungry. I think I'm more hungry than you. But the bread is actually... The slice is actually hot. The garlic chutney is so good. But the red one is chili. I actually realized that you guys must have realized that in one of my videos before, there was a platter where there was octopus in it. I think it was Cafe Point, right? Cafe Point.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was Cafe Point. There was octopus in that platter, but I did not try it. Aisha ate it because I've never eaten octopus, so it was different for me at that time. So I was like, I'm not trying it, but today we're gonna try it, and I'm super excited, guys. Let's put lipstick. I'm about to put this at home, and then I carried it because I was in such a hurry, guys. So this is Huda Beauty. And the shade, so I think it's gone. It's so old, the shade is gone, guys. I've overused this lipstick. This is the menu. Well, they have a lot of different stuff in their menu. I was actually confused, but I just wanted to try the octopus today. So yeah. I don't even know if the menu is showing. There's so much light. I think next time I'll come and have this. The queen size prawns and tomato sauce. That looks nice. Pizza! Always my favorite. Pasta and pizza. Italian pasta and pizza is the best, to be honest. Okay, wait. I want to show you guys what I've ordered. What have you ordered? Where's the food? Where is it? No, seafood, right? Okay, where is it?
You want? You want seafood?
Yeah. The next one, right?
No.
Oh, here. So we ordered this is polpetti?
Yeah, grigliata.
Oh, polpetti grigliata.
Yeah,
Oh wow. Okay,
grilled
nice name.
octopus.
It's a fancy name. Grilled baby octopus with chili, celery, spices and herbs.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we ordered. Wow. This looks delicious. Although I don't eat octopus, it's gonna be my first time. I'm excited. Yay. Wow.
Wanted me?
Yes.
Yeah, just bring the menu, please. Oh my god. Asha. I'm kind of nervous and scared also to eat this. Let me not lie.
Just try it.
Let me just try it today, yeah. The day has reached, guys. We are trying it. We are doing it. Yeah, it's come. Okay, I'm gonna try octopus, and yeah, I'm finally gonna do this. I'm freaking scared of these legs, but we're gonna do it. Okay, let's go. Actually, I don't know why I'm nervous because I don't know how it's gonna taste. Does it taste like normal meat?
No.
Okay, normal fish.
No.
Then
I don't know how to explain. Just try it.
okay.
It's not bad if cooked nicely.
It's like eating. Look at this.
Just try it.
Okay, guys, look at the way it looks. It kind of looks like prawns. Looks like prawns, like when it's cut like this, because you know the spiral kind of thing looks like prawns. But yeah, it's not prawns. That's the whole thing. I wish someone tricked me. It was prawns. 1, 2, 3, go. Not bad. Tastes like steak. I swear.
Because it's grilled.
It's really good. I said it's really good. You need to try this. No, honestly speaking. Okay, it's a bit more slimier than steak, but the taste is the same as steak. Let's take one more bite on camera. Then I can eat. I think I'm okay with this. Just seeing it is scary. I wish it, like you just close my eyes and put it in my mouth. I'm okay with that. And this one has like a lemon taste. It's very mild, by the way. It's very tasty. It has a lemon and a bit of ginger. Not chili at all. I like it. Guys, I was just so curious. I just want to know like what's inside the head. So here is the head. We're gonna cut the head off. So let's see what is inside the head. Do people eat the head? Like, please comment down below. Have you eaten the head? I wouldn't want to do that today, but we're just gonna see what's inside the head. I'm really curious. So this is the head. cut off the head first from the body side. That's the head. Cut off the head into 2 pieces. Okay, the head is weird. Okay, wait, it has some black stuff inside. What is that? Is that a brain? It has this inside, guys. That's probably the brain. We're not going to eat the head today. Head aside. Head aside. Eat the main part. Aisha just left the middle part of the whole octopus. Is there a problem with it, Aisha?
I don't know, it looks weird.
No, but we ate the legs. So the the legs are yummy.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, that's nice.
The bill looks nice. Yeah? Don't open it. It's gonna scare us.
Well, not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Uh-uh.
Trust me. Really?
Yeah. It's not.
Why is the lighting in all the washrooms in this universe so much better? How? Like my highlight is on point. What lipstick is that? MAC? So, guys, we're still in Roberto's. We ate the octopus and I'm shocked. I'm gonna start eating octopus. I never ever thought that I'm gonna start eating octopus. Like, wow, it tastes so good. Like, it tastes like normal. Okay, I would say it tastes like steak. What do you think it tastes like?
I don't know how to describe the taste.
It's like the taste of steak, but a bit more rubbery. Yeah,
And more softer,
more
I would say.
more softer. Yeah. Okay,
But
it has,
cooked if cooked right.
if cooked, they have made it amazing. Let me not lie. These people have made it amazing. My phone is ringing. So Roberto's is a must-come place. I have been here before. We've eaten cake here before, and the last time
Cheesecake.
Yeah, the last time we had the cheesecake, oh my god, it was so good. I'm not even lying.
It's
It was
worth
so
a
good.
try, guys.
It was so good. I would love to try other things over here, and yeah. So if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and yeah, Aisha's shades are just rocking the party right now. Please wear them so that we can see.
Stuck to me.
Oh, they're stuck. So yeah, we'll see them next time, guys. So I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.